Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to install an app on your iPhone, but the app is not available in the App Store? Maybe it is a delisted emulator, Delta Executor, jailbreak tool, or an app that's not available in the App Store. On iPhone, installing apps outside the App Store can feel confusing because there is no simple installation like Android. But in this video, I will show you one of the easiest ways to do it using FlekStore. With FlekStore, you can install apps outside the App Store directly from your iPhone, without jailbreak, without a computer, and without connecting your device with a cable. So, let's get started. To install FlekStore, open Safari, then go to the official FlekStore website. Once the website is open, you will see the main FlekStore page. Now tap the Get button. After you tap Get, now tap the Share button in Safari. Scroll down and tap Add to Home Screen. After that, tap Add in the top right corner. Now go back to your iPhone home screen. Now tap the FlekStore icon to open it. Once FlekStore is open, go to the Device tab. Here, you need to connect your iPhone to FlekStore first. Tap Add Device. After you tap Add Device, FlekStore will ask you to install a device profile. Tap Allow if you see the pop-up. Now open Settings on your iPhone. At the top of Settings, you should see Profile Downloaded. Tap Profile Downloaded. Now tap Install in the top right corner. After the profile is installed, go back to FlekStore. Now open the Device tab again. Your iPhone should now be connected to FlekStore. This step is important because FlekStore needs to register your device. Now you can start using FlekStore to find apps that are not available on the App Store or apps that may not be available in your country or region. So from the main page, you can browse the available apps inside FlekStore. You can use the search button, or you can scroll through the app categories. For example, in this video, I want to install Delta Executor, so I will search for Delta Executor inside FlekStore. Once you find the app, tap on it, then tap Sign and Install. Then iPhone will show a pop-up asking if you want to install the app. Tap Install again. You can also use FlekStore to install other apps, like emulators that are not available from the App Store in your region. For example, if you want to install an emulator like Delta Emulator, you can search for it inside FlekStore too. Just remember, some emulator apps may already be available on the official App Store in certain countries, but if the app is not available in your region, FlekStore can be another option to install it. The process is almost the same. Now, go back to your home screen. You should see the app icon loading. Now, you can install apps outside the App Store directly from your iPhone using FlekStore. After the installation is complete, the app will appear on your home screen, just like a normal App Store app. Now, one important thing you need to understand when installing apps outside the App Store is the certificate. On iPhone, apps need to be signed with a certificate before they can be installed. That is why certificates are very important. With FlekStore, there are usually two main options. The first option is using your own personal developer certificate. So if you already have your own Apple developer account, or if you already have your own certificate, you can use it for a more self-managed setup. But if you don't have your own certificate, FlekStore also provides certificate options directly from their service. This is useful for beginners who do not want to set up everything manually. You can choose a certificate option from FlekStore at a low price. Connect your device and use it to install apps outside the App Store. So instead of creating your own developer account or searching for certificates from other places, FlekStore gives you a more simple and beginner-friendly option. Just choose the certificate plan that fits your needs, follow the setup process, and once your device is connected, you can start installing apps directly from FlekStore. Depending on the current offer, buying a certificate through my link may also give you an extra premium period and bonus. So check the description below for the latest link and details. And that's it. Now you can install apps outside the App Store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.